How does licensing for Workspaces work in Globalscape's EFT software? Globalscape's licensing for Workspaces is CAL-based, or Client Access License-based. It's one of two modules that Globalscape offers that has this feature. There are two types of licensing when it comes to the workspace technology. One, traditional license would be when you're sharing a folder with outside entities or outside vendors or inside users, a combination of the two. And then when you're sending a file or requesting a file, that would be another workspace license, but that's considered a transactional license. A workspace license is consumed when a user shares a folder with internal users, external users, or a combination of the two. That's considered one workspace license, and that's issued to the workspace owner. Now that workspace owner can share other folders with other groups of people, and that still counts as one license. So the workspace owner can have multiple folders shared with multiple different people, and that's still considered one license. The other licensing feature is transactional licenses. So when you're sending a file out, when a person sends a file out to somebody, that person goes through the registration process, that license is consumed, and once that person downloads that file or that message expiration date is hit, then that license is returned to the license count. That same licensing process happens when you request a file as well. So sending and requesting file are considered transactional licenses, and that whole process happens for both of them. Repeating the licensing process. There is no limit to the number of workspaces each workspace's owner may possess. Licenses are applied to the number of workspace owners, not the number of workspaces created. Workspace license can be a little confusing, so I'm going to log in from a user's point of view to reiterate what I was talking about. Okay, so I have these three folders. I'm sharing this folder with one group of people, this folder with a different group of people, so I have three different folders that are shared. And since I'm the workspace owner, I'm only consuming one license. From the admin point of view, the workspace licenses are consumed by the users that have permissions to use this feature. So the default settings template, all the settings templates have that enabled, right? So you would turn this off to release the licenses and only use them where you need them. So if you have a limited number of licenses, say 5 licenses, then you would create a settings template with 5 user accounts, and you would turn on the secure folder sharing and the secure file sending if you need that feature as well. This can be enabled and disabled at the settings level or at the individual user level. That's up to you. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this technology and have questions or would like a demo, reach out to our sales department and we will coordinate a meeting. Thank you.